Welcome to the marathon journey of 15 ways to get rich. We've all dreamed of the glamorous life that comes with being wealthy. No financial stress, opportunities to travel the world, and the ability to provide for your family. But how exactly can you achieve this level of financial freedom? The first step to wealth is to develop a rich mindset. Believe in your potential to accumulate wealth. Your attitude towards money determines how effectively you can attract it. Secondly, invest in your education. Knowledge is power, and in the world of wealth acquisition, it's the key to unlocking financial success. Read, attend seminars, or take online courses on wealth accumulation. The third secret is saving. It seems obvious, but many people overlook the power of saving. Start small. The aim isn't to save a lot immediately, but to develop a consistent saving habit. Next, understand the power of compound interest. It's not just about saving, it's about investing those savings wisely to grow your wealth over time. Investing in stocks is a fifth strategy. While it can be risky, it also has a high potential for returns when done correctly. Research, understand, and then dive in. Real estate investment is another powerful tool. It can provide a steady income, tax benefits, and appreciation. However, it requires research and understanding of the market. Starting your own business is the seventh way to wealth. It demands effort, risk, and resilience. Yet the rewards can be immense. Your income potential is limitless when you are your own boss. The eighth strategy is automating your finances. Automated savings take the effort out of manual saving, ensuring you remain consistent. Next, reduce your debt. High-interest debt can significantly decrease your net worth. Prioritize paying it off as fast as possible. Tenthly, diversify your income streams. More than one source of income provides financial security and increases your wealth. Earning passive income is another method to get rich. This could be from a rental property, royalties from a book, or revenue from a blog. Next, network with successful people. They can provide valuable guidance, inspire you, and present opportunities you wouldn't find otherwise. 14th, spend money to make money. Investing in your skills, education, and business are some ways you can do this. Finally, practice patience. Wealth accumulation takes time. Stay consistent in your efforts and patient with the process. Remember, getting rich is more than just having a lot of money. It's about financial freedom, having choices, and living life on your terms. Start your journey today with these 15 ways to get rich.